जय श्रीमन्नारायण। श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता 4th chapter ज्ञानयोगम 13th श्लोक। गीताचार्य श्री कृष्ण परमात्मा giving his teachings to each and every one of us, including Arjuna. Krishna Paramatma saying that, "O Arjuna, I am the one who classified entire collection of the souls into 4 categories. All the souls classified into 4 categories. Those categories are Devatas, Manushyas, that means human beings, second one. Third one, Tiryak, that means animals. Fourth one, Sthavaras, that means trees and other things. Like these 4 categories, and all the souls classified into, kept into those 4 categories. What is the basis for me to do like this? The very basis is, if you take one soul in his previous birth, at the end of his previous birth, whatever the guna out of sattva gunam, rajogunam, tamogunam, whatever the guna was predominant, based on that, and what activity if he continues in the next birth, that would help him understanding that aspect. I am the one who puts that soul into one of these 4 categories. So then what happens when he falls into any of the category? According to that category, if that soul continues performing his activities, he will be elevated to next level. So entire of this system is established by me. It looks like, it sounds like I am the doer of the system. But the thing is, the very basis is their own gunas, their own karma in previous birth. Based on that, they fall into these categories. So I do not intervene in that. All that I do is, I made the categories and I put them. They fall into that particular class based on their previous guna and karma. Like this, Sri Krishna Paramatma making it very clear that he is not interfering in any one of our gunas and karmas, but all that he does is, based on of our gunas and karmas, we fall into certain particular category of those 4 classes. Having Sri Krishna Paramatma's teachings running in our thoughts, and having an understanding that whomever we see and whatever the troubles or pains we are going through, while not blaming Krishna Paramatma, while stopping the blaming on Paramatma, let us start understanding that this is all because of my previous karma, my previous gunam. With that kind of understanding, let us start practicing the teachings of Krishna Paramatma. And now let us repeat Krishna Paramatma's words as it is. Chaturvarnyam maya srishtam गुणकर्मा विभागसः तस्य कर्तारम् अपि मां विद्धि अकर्तारम् अव्ययम्। Om. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do the following. Krishna Paramatma says, always think about me, become my devotee, keep on doing all your activities as my service, keep on doing namaskaram to me, surrender to me alone unconditionally. Mamekam Saranam Raja, do not cry, Ma Suchaha. Keep on remembering my teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. Keep on sharing my teachings among all the devotees. If you keep doing like this, you will become my most beloved devotee and I shall liberate you from all kind of sins. Now let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, I shall keep on meditating upon you. O Sriman Narayana, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, I shall not cry anymore. O Sriman Narayana, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, I shall keep on sharing your teachings among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam Sukamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam Pibata Bhagavatam rasamalayam Muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Suka Maharshi. Yam pravrajantam apeta krutyam Dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava Putreti tanmayataya taravo vineduhu Tam sarva bhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Sriman Narayana Chaturmukha Brahma Saraswati Devi Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naranchaiva narottamam Devim Saraswatim Vyasam Tato Jayam Udirayet. In Srimad Bhagavatam Dvitiya Skandham, Suta Mahamuni discoursing to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Suka Yogindra giving his teachings to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Chaturmukha Brahma explaining the divine body of Virat Purusha to Narada Maharshi, saying that, O Narada, there are 14 worlds, 14 lokas. From that, 7 are downwards. Those are known as adholokas. From those adholokas, first one, tat katyancha atalam. Atalam. Atalam, that world is situated at the waist place of Virat Purusha. And Urubhyam Vitalam, in the thighs, the world known as Vitalam is situated. And then Sutalam, that world is situated at the ankles of Virat Purusha. Talatalam is situated in the joints of Virat Purusha. And Mahatalam is situated in the place of calves of Virat Purusha. And Rasatalam is situated just at the upper portion of the feet of Virat Purusha. And Patalam is situated at the feet of Virat Purusha. O Narada, like this, great people regards this Brahmandam as Virat Purusha's divine body, and that is how they meditate upon. O Narada, there is another way of meditation. What is that, Bhurlokaha kalpitah padbhyam. Feet is considered, Virat Purusha's divine feet is considered as Bhulokam. And Virat Purusha's navel is considered as Bhuvarlokam. And Virat Purusha's head, Siras, is considered as Svarlokam. Itiva Loka Kalpana. Like this also, great people does meditates upon Sriman Narayana, Paramapurusha. O Narada, that Paramapurusha's Mukham is the place for speech, for Vakku. And that Vakku, that speech, has its Adhishtana Devata, Vacham Vakhnehe, as Agni. Agni is the Adhishtana Devata of Vakku. So that means for Agni also the place is Paramapurusha's Mukham Kshetram. Mukham, the face. And then Chandasam Saptadhatavaha. There are 7 Chandas, 7 meters. Gayatri, Vushnik, Bruhat, Pankti, Jagati, Trishtup, Anushtup. All these 7 Chandas, the place for these 7 Chandas is Virat Purusha's body's skin. Like this, Chaturmukha Brahma explaining to Narada Maharshi how great Tattvavetas does meditation upon Virat Purusha, considering the entire Brahmandam as the body parts of that Virat Purusha. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow. Om Sri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Slokas from Mukundamala Stotram. He lokaha srunuta prasuti maranavyadhehe Chikitsamimam yogajñāha samudaharanti munayo yam yajñavalkyaadayaha antarjyotirameyamekam krishnākhyamāpīyatām tatpītam paramaushadham vitanute nirvānamatyantikam. Krishno rakshatu no jagatraya guruhu Krishnam namasyamyaham. Krishne namarasatravo vinihataha Krishnaya tasmai namaha. Krishnadeva samuthitam jagadidam Krishnasya dasosmyaham. Krishne tishtati visvametadakhilam. He Krishna samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 4th chapter, 13th sloka. Chaturvarnyam maya srishtam gunakarma vibhagasaha tasya kartaramapi mam vidhi akartaram avyayam. Chaturvarnyam maya srishtam gunakarma vibhagasaha tasya kartaramapi mam vidhi akartaram avyayam. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ.